Hey guys, welcome back to Pot to Mama Bear. Today's video is going to be these cute cable protectors that we found at Dollar Tree. I thought these were absolutely adorable, so I went ahead and got one of each. So I'm just gonna open these up and show you guys how these go on the wires. First I need a pair of scissors. Hold on for just a sec. Okay, sorry. So these do not have a wire inside it, so you're gonna have to use your own wire. These are like really hard to open. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these off camera and then show you guys what we have. Okay guys, so I was kind of having a little hard time opening these just because the packaging was a little weird. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do the unicorn one. So this is just a short wire that I got with my iPad. So I'm just going to go ahead and just plug that in. And in this part, you just open up the bottom of this and feed the wire through the little like crack or cut that's on here. This is a little hard. Oh, maybe that's not as hard as I'm making it. So we're gonna push that all the way in there. Okay, I think this wire, or this wire might be a little too big for it, but I just want to show you guys the idea that is behind this. So now we're going to take the smaller part and we're going to go ahead and put it through like so. If I can do it. This might be a two-person thing, maybe one to hold it open. But anyways, you're supposed to be able to push the, you're supposed to be able to hold this open and push the wire through. I kind of got it a little bit, but it's, anyways, these are supposed to protect like these parts right here from bending and breaking. I think that it's really cute. It's a really cute idea, especially if you have little ones like we do, and we try to keep these on their phone wires. So that's how that looks. Now I would go ahead and show you guys with the rest of these, but these seem like they're a little, well, this one maybe not, but they all have these slits at the bottom, or these cuts at the bottom, where you could put them all, put the wires through. Here's a poop, or I think it's supposed to be chocolate ice cream, maybe. I think that's what it was. I'm not really sure. I've been hearing the kids say that it's poop. And of course there's this smiley face with sunglasses. So if you guys go to Dollar Tree and you find these, tag us in your post on any of the social medias that we have, And we would love to see if you guys find any other characters or anything. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.